Hello everyone, we are here at Sambogi Gym to celebrate our Mother's Day with Daniel and Princess. Hello son! I hope you enjoy our bonding tonight because today is a Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to your mommy and to your two sisters, okay? God bless you son, Ethan, Mo. Hello sister! Happy Mother's Day! You eat well sister, God bless you! Enjoy eating! Yaba! Hello! Hi! Princess! Hello everyone! Enjoy eating everyone! God bless! Princess! Hello! Thanks for the treat! Oh, thank you! God bless you everyone!
Picture tayo, mamaya ka na natin. Ha? Hindi, dito po na. Hanggang 8 lang na. Can take a picture naman.
Okay, it's well! God bless everyone!
Ako, picture yung tayo sa dito. Nakalas 8 lang tayo.
Hello sister! Ay, ka mabuti ha?
Para may print out tayo dyan, oh. Maganda yan, oh.
God bless everyone! Princess, hello, son!
Balik ka na.
You eat well, ha?
Sa bed.
Happy Mother's Day to all of you. God bless everyone.
Look, Mama's taking a video. See, we haven't got there already.